Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have 3 different job updates. So the first company, it is Ericsson off-campus is hiring, and the job role for that is graduate engineer trainee, and the degree or the qualification needed, so it is for B or BTech graduates in computer science, electronics and communication, so telecommunication or information technology. So these streams are eligible to apply, and the experience needed, so it is for freshers. And the salary of the CTC, so 6.3 lakhs per annum. And the work location, so we have multiple work locations like Pune, Chennai, Noida, Bangalore, Kolkata as well as Gurgaon. So we shall quickly see the application link for this. So the percentage criteria and the skills needed, like you need to have minimum 65% in 10th, 12th as well as in graduation, or 6.5 CGPA in B or BTech. And the skills needed, like you need to have knowledge of Python programming, so which is must, and you need to have knowledge on wireless or mobile technologies, like it can be 2G, 3G, 4G or 5G, and you need to have troubleshooting skills as well as solid understanding on MS Office tools. So these are the skills needed for this particular job role. So to apply for this job role, like you need to create an account, so you can just sign up and you can just create your account, do enter the required details, and then you can just sign in and fill all the details and start the application. So this is about the first company, that is Ericsson. So the second company, that is Unisys off-campus is hiring, and the job role for that is application test engineer, and the degree or the qualification needed, so it is for bachelor's degree or any other equivalent graduates are also eligible to apply. And the batch eligible, so like there is no particular restriction on the batch, so any recent batches or the previous batches are eligible to apply, and it is for both freshers as well as experienced graduates. And the salary of the CTC, so the minimum expected salary of the CTC, it is 12 lakhs per annum. So then coming to the skills that are needed for this particular job role, so as they are hiring for application test engineer, so you need to have knowledge on testing, like automation testing, manual testing and everything, and you need to have knowledge on various test cases and knowledge on at least one programming language. It can be Java, Python, so anything is preferred. So then coming to the application link, like there are 5 different steps to apply for this particular job role. So first step is you need to fill like my information, in which you need to upload your updated resume and do add your personal details, everything, and then you can move to the next step, that is my experience. So in this you can just add your experience details, and if you have done any of the internship, so do mention that. And then the third step of registration, like there are few questions in which you need to answer, then like voluntary disclosures, so you can do answer to all these questions, and later you can just review your application form, and if you wish you can add any of the certifications if you have done on testing, so do mention that, and you can just submit the application form. So this is about the second company, that is Unisys. And the third company, so Fluence off-campus is hiring, so the job role for that is junior software engineer, and that for API development. And the qualification needed, so they are hiring for BSc graduates or any other like B or BTech graduates are also eligible to apply, and the streams eligible like computer science and those who has knowledge of API development, so they are eligible to apply. And the batch, like recent batches are eligible. And the salary of the CTC, so it is around 7 to 10 lakhs per annum, and that it depends based on your interview performance. And the work location, so it is Bangalore. So then coming to the skills which are needed for this particular job role, so you need to have knowledge of various cloud infrastructure and various services, and experience with microservices is must, and experience in working and delivering products and services in agile environments, like you need to have knowledge on agile development. And the programming skills, like you need to have knowledge on Node.js or Python is preferred. And as they are hiring for API development, so you need to have at least 1 year of professional experience in API development, or if you have done any of the certifications related to this like microservices and API, so you can do add those certifications and apply for this job role. So this is the simple application form. Like first step is you need to upload your updated resume, then you need to add your personal details like your full name, email address, and like the current company you are working. And the links, like do mention the LinkedIn URL, and you can do add the additional information or any of the clarification if you need, you can do mention that. And later you can just answer to these questions and you can just submit the application form. So this is all about the application form and the job details. So the link for all these 3 job updates, so it will be provided separately in the description. You can quickly go and apply for this job roles. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.